All right. Lecture 15 and 16, so that's next Tuesday and Thursday, is going to be online. As I've announced before, we're actually not going to meet here in class for either of those days. And so if you go to MU Online, then you'll find the links for both of those. Let me just point out to you where they're at and then also show you where you need to upload the materials for today's exam. All right, so classes for Tuesday and Thursday next week, you can actually watch them tonight if you're the kind of person that likes to get an early start on things. Here under class lecture videos, you can see there's going to be at the end of the list here 15 and 16. They're both just posted on YouTube. So if you click on the link, then it'll bring up the recording and you can watch it. All right, now during this recording, I do a couple of demos that you need to follow along with Excel. So you can pause while you do what I did, continue your calculations and so on. And so once you've finished that little example that I'm showing on screen, what you're supposed to do is upload the file. That's how you're going to get the participation and attendance credits. And so that is here on the home page. You'll notice that there's something that says 228. That's where you're supposed to upload the Excel file for Tuesday's lecture. And then 3.2 is where you upload the Excel file for Thursday's lecture. All right. So that's, I think, all you need to know about lecture 15 and 16. I've already given you just a few minutes ago homework 5. If you happen to lose the paper copy of that, then you can also get at homework 5 here under the homework assignments folder. There's a PDF of it if you click on that. And then here is some data that's required for that assignment. It's like a table of concrete strength data. So you're uploading the assignment to MU Online. If you lose the paper, here's the PDF of it. And this is the supporting concrete data. Any questions related to these announcements for next week? Any questions at all? All right. So today is your exam 1. It's a 2-part test. I'm going to begin by giving you part 1, which you can only use your calculator, pencil, and the conversion chart that I've handed out. Once you're finished with part 1, you can put the paper on the chair and take part 2, which is where you use the computers. And of course, I'm going to be in the back of the classroom. You shouldn't be sending any emails to people. You should just be following the instructions of the exam. When you're finished with the exam, you need to upload the file that you've created in part 2 to this location where it says upload your finished Excel file here. So there's a starting file where I've prepared some spaces for you. And then once you download the starting file and save all your own work, then you upload it online again. Okay, any questions about that? All right, well, if not, we'll begin.